Hello, everyone. Hello. Today we're going to trade together. Going to trade together. Let's finish the post here. Okay. What's going on? 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 Mambo ni vipi? Mambo ni vipi? Mambo ni vipi? Kama nasikika fresh, if you can hear me correctly, just say you can hear me. Just say if you can hear me. Okay. Karibu sana Prince David wanamwita hapo. Karibu sana, karibu sana, karibu sana. Karibu sana. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Prashant Patil. Welcome. So we're going to trade together today, and right now we're trading the 4-hour gold formula, and we just opened. You can see the last candle created us a strong level support here, and it closed above. So right now we're just waiting for a confirmation to trade bullish. If you go to the 15 minutes, we can see the price already created us with bullish candles here, closing above, and so this was the Asian high right here. So the price already something from the Asian high. So right now we're just waiting for the clear confirmation to see where we're going to buy. So this here is opening price of the floor hedge. This here is the opening price that we want it in blue color so that you can differentiate. And you can see here the price is trying to create something. Guys, welcome. We're going to trade together today. Welcome. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. At the moment, let's check in the entry what's going on. So we can see in 1 minute, price created us a structure here, and it left us with insert information. So we can take partial trades here. If the price tells us to do so in 15 minutes. So always we have to wait for a confirmation. We do not just trade. We not just trade. Wait for confirmation. wait for confirmation. So right now the price is trying to create something, and in a few minutes. So let us wait. All right. All right. So tunaona hapa price still is trying to give us a clear confirmation. So we have this inside formation here, but we cannot take this inside formation if the 15 minutes doesn't give us a go ahead. So maybe we can wait for the price to create for the price to come here, and then we can take something after the price come here and create something. So trading, guys, is patience. If you need to get clear entries, you need to be so patient. You need to be so patient, guys. Patience is key. Patience is key. Right. Still waiting for the 15 minutes to do something here. The price is still going bullish. So while we are waiting, I don't know, you also understand Swahili. I will be mixing language so that we can be able to understand each other. So at the moment, while we are waiting, anyone with any question concerning trading, concerning pairs, concerning gold, anyone with any question? Okay. Mtu yoyote mwenye swali lolote kabla price haijatupa entry nzuri? Mtu yoyote mwenye swali lolote kabla tunaposubiri price itupe kitu? Tunangoja for confirmation gani? 15 minutes. Oh yes, the way tuna trade hii for our formula, kwa sababu leo hapa nataka ni illustrate hii formula yangu ambayo huwa na trade. Ni kwamba huwa tunaanzia 4 hour as our main time frame, our constant time frame, lakini 4 hour is coordinated with 30 minutes, lakini due to this formula huwa tunaangalia 15 minutes. Why? Because during my research I think the 15 minutes inakuwa ina create confirmation nzuri zaidi kuliko 30 minutes. Kwa hiyo we use 15 minutes kuangalia confirmation, na confirmation ambazo tunaziangalia hapa ni candle break, kwa sababu candle inapofunga inakuonesha kabisa kwamba uelekeo wa the whole 4 hour 4 hour candle itakapoelekea. Kwa hiyo itakavyo break na itakapotuonesha jinsi inavyo break na jinsi inavyo close ndio tunapopata confirmation. Kwa hiyo we use 15 minutes kwa ajili ya kufanya confirmation, lakini entry time frames ziko tatu. Entry time frames ziko tatu. Sorry. Ambazo tuna 5 minutes, tuna 3 minutes. Mtu unaweza kutumia time frame yoyote hapa, 5 minutes au 3 minutes au 1 minute. Kwa hizi ni entry time frame, hizi ni analysis time frame. Hapa kwa 4 hour tunaangalia the general bias, na tunaona kwenye 4 hour time frame hapa price ime close, yani time frame yani candle iliyopita tunaona price ilifanya kitu gani hapa? Ilifanya a week to week breakout chini, lakini ika close bullish. Lakini sio tu kwenye hii, pia tumepata breakout ya week to week kwa in terms of structure. Kwa hiyo tuna kila sababu ya kwamba tuangalie entries za kubuy, lakini tukiangalia perspective nzima ya daily time frame tunaona kwamba price ilikuwa kwenye counter trend, kwa maana ya kwamba this was our counter trend, kwa maana ya kwamba price ili break structure. Kwa hiyo price ikawa imeingia jana hapa, so when we had this counter move yesterday, and we had some areas of liquidities to consider here to take, and you can see price came all the way in. I don't know if all the liquidities are consumed. Let's check here. If we mark this area of liquidity here, and let's check for the 15 minutes time frame and see if all the liquidities were consumed or what. And you can clearly see we have some levels where price did not come to clear. You can see here we have this inside formation right here, and we have some levels here. This is the level. Price did not come to take that level, so we can clearly say that price bado inaweza ikaja humu ndani, and kigezo hicho kinaweza kikawa supported in the 1 hour or the 4 hour yenyewe, kwa maana kwamba we had a break of structure here, which means price inaweza ikaja humu ndani and consume some liquidities in order to go below here. Okay, kwa hiyo price inaweza ikaja humu ndani, ikaja humu ndani kwa consume liquidities and to go below. Kwa sasa hivi hapa tunachoangalia sisi ni entry ambayo itatuwezesha kuendelea kwenda juu ama kubaki chini. So tunaona 15 minutes candle ya mwisho hapa ime close bullish again, lakini imeshindwa ku close juu, hapa. So let's check kwenye time frames za entries. Let's see. We can see here we don't have a clear path ya sisi kuingia bado. Yeah. Yes, Prince David, tunaona hapo price kwenye daily time frame, of course iliingia kwenye inside formation ya daily, of course that one, ambapo ukienda kuangalia coordinated time frame ya daily, maana yake sasa price kama itaishia hapa, we need to see price ikifanya a shift hapa. Price ikishift hapa ika close, lakini sasa the problem is price ita shift lakini haitaacha inside formation. So always price ili itutengenezee a strong change of character. A strong change of character always we have to see price creating a change of character with inside formation. If we have a change of character with inside formation, then that is a strong change of character. But right now we can see price inaweza ika change character, but we don't have an inside formation, and this is the point where we have to apply the knowledges of FTA. We can clearly see if we go to the FTA time frame, which is the 4-hour itself. We can see here this was not a clear structure. Why? Because we had a week-to-week break here and not as a strong break. The only break that we have, it is this one. This one is the break that we have up to now. So that means now the price might come inside here and take something to go down. See? That's how it is. So in the 15 minutes, we are still waiting for our confirmation. So this was the opening price of the 4-hour, the 12 p.m. East Africa time 4-hour. Need to see if we have any news today. Let me check. Let me share the whole. Oh, Prince David, umenipata eh? Safi sana, safi sana, safi sana. Ngoja ni share hii Chrome yangu yote ili to discuss wote news ambazo zipo leo na vitu kama hivyo. So today is what? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Wow, we have beautiful news. kwenye USD tunayo initial jobless claim hii. This is like unemployment claim news ambayo huwa inatoka. Let me project my gold survival guide, news guide. I hope everyone can see that. So this is our news guide footer, unemployment claim. Yeah, this one. So jobless claims sometimes can be unemployment claims. So hii ni news ambayo inatoka kila siku ya Alhamis. And guys, I forgot to tell you this. On Thursday, there is a video coming in YouTube on Thursday concerning how to trade news in Swahili. Kwa wale wote ambao ni wabongo wa East Africa mnaoelewa Kiswahili, tutakuwa na video ambayo inaingia Jumamosi ambayo ina teach how to trade news. Teach how to trade news. Kwa hiyo taelewa zaidi how to trade this news. So jobless claims hii inatuonesha hapa leo kwamba if jobless claims comes fewer, that means indicate USD is strong. So we are going to sell gold. But if it comes more, we have more claims, that means USD is weak. So we can buy gold. So if we go to the news site here, you can see the previous was 263K. The projection is 240, which means it will come fewer. And we see here if the news comes out few, that means we are going to sell gold. Okay, so we will wait when the time of news comes. We'll wait and see how we can trade. Welcome guys, trading a meme, trading a meme. Yeah guys. Any other question, guys? We're still waiting for this candle to close here, and let's see how it will close. So you can see the benefits of using candlestick anatomy. You can see here it was week to week, and that's why this candle came out bearish. So if we wanted to trade this area, we could trade this area using this candlestick breakout, which was week to week, and we had also a week to week on structure. So when we have a week to week on the structure, that means the target will be on the structure right here. So you can see we could trade this area starting from the opening of the second candle to this point here, which is 20 pips. Yeah, it's good. 20 pips. It's good. Naweza illustrate the 4-hour na previous one before tupate confirmation. Oh, okay. The 4-hour time frame inasema hivi. kwa sababu lazima tunatakiwa tuangalie the 4-hour time frame in terms of candle to candle and in terms of structure. Unaona eh? So tunaona kwamba the last 4-hour candle ambayo ni hii hapa, price ilijaribu kwenda bearish lakini ikashindwa ku close bearish, ikafanya week to week breakout, lakini pia sio tu week to week breakout katika the last previous candle, lakini pia ilifanya week to week breakout in terms of a structure. Kwa hiyo tukapata, ndio maana unaona price imeanza bullish moja kwa moja hapa, ndio maana tumeshindwa kupata a clear confirmation, lakini tutapata areas za sisi kuweka hela. So sasa hivi tunategemea tupate confirmation ya sisi kwenda bullish, sawa, confirmation ya kwenda bullish, lakini tunatakiwa tuwe na perspective mbili, kwa maana ya kwamba this area hapa ilikuwa ndio Asian high, kwa maana Asian session high, na mara nyingi session pia huwa zina tabia, kwa maana ni price inapofika kwenye Asian high au Asian low au London high au London low, huwa kuna liquidities ambazo huwa price inaweza sweep au kupull and then ikabadilisha mwelekeo. Kwa hiyo vitu vyote hivyo vinaweza vikawa ni sababu ya sisi kuangalia perspective ya price jinsi itakavyotupa confirmation. Kwa sasa hivi hapa kwenye 15 minutes tunachoangalia ni nini? Price imeopen hapa na ika close bullish na ikatutengenezea structure ambayo ukienda kwenye 1 minute ndio utaiona vizuri structure, na hii structure imetuachia inside formation hapo. Kwa hiyo we can wait for the price to come in hapa, tukatake trades ambazo range yake inaweza ikawa kutoka hapo kwenye formation mpaka hapo juu, something like 50 pips, something like 50 pips tunaweza tukazikusanya hapo if ita respect, lakini confirmation ya 15 minutes kama itatupa labda let's say tunatakiwa to sell, that means tunatakiwa tu change perspective, kwa maana kwamba tunatakiwa tuangalie pia how tunatakiwa to sell. So right now unaona price sasa imeenda chini, imeshindwa kuvunja, imefanya week to week breakout. Kwa hiyo right now sasa inaanza kurespect ile previous information, kwa sasa hivi inaenda ku close bullish. So right now tunatakiwa tuwe makini sasa kuangalia entry ni wapi tunatakiwa tuweke entry. Kwa mfano kama price ita close bullish, maana yake sasa tunatakiwa tu wait price itupe labda a break of structure, and right now tayari imeshatupa break of structure hapa. Hii ni zile internal break of structure, tunaona hii ni internal break of structure hapa. Price inaweza ikafanya test kwa sababu hakuna formation ambayo tunaweza tukasema ni clear formation. Kwa hiyo tunaweza tukatumia hizi weeks overlap kwa price kuja kutest humo ndani, au price tusubiri je trade hapa juu, na sometimes sio lazima utumie 1 minute, naweza kutumia hata time frame nyingine kuangalia a clear area sisi kubuy. Kuna price kama ikivunja hapo, tunaona price imetengenezea labda something like a formation which is not so clear. It's not so clear. How about 5 minutes? Okay, 5 minutes imetengenezea a strong level of resistance, support chini. So right now kama price itatupa a clean breakout, tunasema hii ni level breakout. Tutafanya market execution kwenye breakout candle. Kwa hiyo tunazo option nyingi, lakini lazima tuangalie 15 minutes GC itakavyo close. So the last 15 minutes imeclose bullish na imeclose huko chini, imetokea week to week breakout. So lazima hapa sasa tuangalie entry sasa, ya turudi kwenye 15 minutes, kwenye 1 minute tuangalie. Kwa kuna mtu mwingine angechukua entry kwa sababu huku chini tulipata week to week breakout kwenye structure, kwa take profit yake angechukua hapa, angepata shilingi ngapi? Angepata pips ngapi? The next candle open ikaretest kwenye hiyo area, angepata pips 19, almost like pips 20. So guys, ukishajua candlestick anatomy, you can trade even in the consolidation areas, you can trade it, kwa sababu utakuwa unaangalia to the type of break in terms of candle to candle au in terms of structure. And guys, another thing, I'm having a beautiful series going on right now, which is okay. So the price imesha retest kwenye hii area hapa, which is like an order block, so we don't have any area clear for us to enter, guys. Yani we do not just trade, we need to see price create a simple entry. We do not just trade, we have to see a simple entry. That's it. And patience is key. Patience is key. So guys, I want to show you. Sorry. So I want to show you. I want to show you the series. The series, I started a new series yesterday, and it is concerning mastering the market structure. And we have like one video yesterday, and today we're going to have episode 2, and tomorrow episode 3. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I don't know why the network is so low right now. So yeah, I hope we got the point. We have that series going on. It's a very important series. So you can see here the price failed to break this point, so we cannot have an entry yet. So if someone could take an entry here, the take profit will be just like that. But we failed to break that high there. Failed to break that high here. So we still wait. That is how we trade. If price doesn't give us a go ahead, we wait. We wait. So we want to see how this 15 minutes candle close, and if also this 15 minutes candle fail also to close that area, we're gonna have something maybe going bullish. So let us wait. Any other question, guys, before we wait for the clear areas to enter? Any other question? Let's check. Okay. So the price is going bearish. Like I said, somebody could take a trade here and the take profit will be here. Almost 15 pips, 20 pips. You see that? The power of understanding candlestick anatomy, guys. The power of understanding candlestick anatomy. Wow, 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 look at that. So that could be a trade. See, from that failure, somebody could take a trade from there and close here 20 pips. So look at this. Just by using this consolidation area, somebody could take an entry from this failure. The second candle here opens, taking the entry to here 20 pips. Okay, another one, price also came down, failed to take out this entry here. Somebody could take another entry from here and trade 18 pips. So 20 pips, 18 pips, that is like 38 pips. And failure, this failure also from that point to that point here, almost like 20 pips, let's say 20 pips. So 38 pips, 20 pips. How much are we talking about? $58 pips. So just by using this consolidation, somebody could take almost like what? 58 pips. Pips hamsini na nane. So you can see now price came to our formation. But the way it came here, it is very, very scary. The way it came here, it is very, very scary. I don't know. Okay. We can take some partial trades, trading 50% of this range, almost 20 pips. 50%, we can say from there, that is like 20 pips, not bad. Remember guys, we're scalping. But we have this breakout here and the 15 minutes, we clearly see we haven't reached the the target yet, because this was week to week here, and we need to see price trading below here, and we can see here the price closed by body. So we can look for sales also. So the price is still going. So the next episode of the Mastering of Market Structure, I taught, I don't know if it is the second episode or the third, I taught about the nature of the market break. Yeah, it is the third episode. So kaeni tayari kwamba today I'm posting the second episode and tomorrow the third episode. The nature of break can tell something very good. So let's see where we can enter sales. Let's check this area, 3 minutes. Is it 15 pips from here to here? Risking 15 pips. That's good. And let us see how we can. So I told you guys we can take partial trades, 50% of the range, which is 20 pips. So you can see, guys, right now we are entering. I don't know if you guys you are following. I don't know if you guys you're following. $20 pips right here. I don't know if guys you're following, guys. I don't know. Okay, update me anauliza hivi kwenye swala la Kuwait. Mimi naonaga kama nachelewa vile. Guys, yani waiting is key kwenye swala zima la trading. Yani na kitu ambacho unatakiwa kukielewa katika trading ni kwamba hutaki kuchukua entry ambayo ni ngumu. Yani hilo swala unatakiwa kuliweka akilini. Always wait for the simple, if not the simplest areas to enter. Na ili upate simple areas to enter, lazima wait. Hata kama price itakupa confirmation ndani ya masaa mawili. Yes, ukifanya trading kama your business, so waiting must be your game. So that's why mimi huwa naweka like a movie pembeni, kuna TV naweka movie, au unakuwa nacheza game huko price chart naona ina run just to keep me waiting. Okay? Just to keep me waiting. So guys, you see price has returned to our area, and simply we had an imbalance here and we had this area here. So if price ita break up na kwenye FTA time frame tukaona kwamba ime break kweli, tunaweza tukachukua sell entries. So price ime break hapa, imetengenezea outside formation. Kwenye 1 minute inaonekana kama a structure. Kuna tofauti kati ya structure na formation. Kubwa sana. Yes, okay. Let us see. So ile formation yetu imevunjwa. Imevunjwa. imevunjwa, na hapa ndipo tulikuwa tuna target ile nini, hii ndio opening price. And guys, we can see here we have a zone flip here, so the price came to this zone flip here. Tuone kama price ita react, na imeshindwa ku react to that zone flip, so still we don't have a clear area kufanya entry. Oh yes, 15 minutes time frame. Like I said guys, we had this a week to week breakout hapa, and always price itakaposhindwa ku break sehemu mojawapo, the target always huwa ni kuanzia kwenye ile body ya candle au kwenye wick ya candle. Kwa tunaona price imefika tayari kwenye body ya candle, right now is trying to go to the kwenye wick ya candle, so anything can happen. So we have a confirmation to sell and not to buy. Any other question guys? Any other question? Any other question? Wakati tunaendelea kutrade pamoja hapa. Wow, the price is momentum. What is happening? Okay. All right. Any other question guys? Kama mtu ana swali asita. Naendelea tu kuwakumbusha kuna series nzuri sana ambayo nimeianza jana, inaitwa Mastering the Market Structure. Jana nimeanza na basics. Today we are going to have a second episode of Mastering the Market Structure, which is Major and Minor Structure. Video itakuwa live kuanzia saa 10 hapo. So guys, make sure you watch those videos. They will help you a lot. I always tell my students that kila strategy unayoiona duniani, whether it is trend line, whether it is support and resistance, whether it is ICT, SMC, price action, wherever the strategy you see, any strategy can work. The thing is, watu tunashindwa kuielewa zaidi market structure. So market structure ndio backbone ya kila strategy tunayoiona. Kwa ukiielewa zaidi na theory na secrets behind market structure, hakuna strategy itakayo kushinda. Hata kama una trade kwa kutumia zile tools kama Fibonacci, sijui nini, ma indicators, kielewa tu market structure, you are good to go. So that is how it is. That is how it is. Mr. Pro analyzer will for hedge concept work on all pairs. Yes, I have some of my students trading this formula with other pairs. So that means it works to other pairs also. So you can try to go and backtest. So for example, here we have week breakout. Let me see here if we can spot something. This area like a zone flip, and we have a formation here. So let's see if this will try to give us something from this point here, risking 15 pips. Oh, so if you risk 15 pips, that's why I hate currency pairs. You can see this huge move is just 10 pips. And if you look for the trading range, maybe we catch something like 20 pips. It's bullshit. All right, we can wait for something like that. Let's check for our candle. For our candle says we needed to buy, but we reached this area and failed to close that range, so we can have a sell entry. This is USD JPY, guys. Back on our pair. Okay. Oh, vipi? Umetengeneza kiasi gani leo? Umetradi range ya saa ngapi? Saa mbili? Okay. Guys, I'm with my students here in my office. Ay. I don't know if this it will hold, but I think we're going to be stopped out. I've entered with 0.01 position, targeting 50 pips. That was outside formation, so I don't know if it's going to hold. Let me see. I don't know. Let's see on USD JPY. The price is trying to enter there. We can reduce this. Okay, the price is going to my direction. Great. So I don't know kama tuko pamoja, tuko pamoja, tuko pamoja, tuko pamoja. Are we together? Are we together? We're going to trade news today. So it's like we have jobless claims today. We're going to trade that. And in the jobless claims, we see that my news guide here says if the jobless claims comes fewer than before, than the previous, we have to sell. We have to sell gold. If the jobless claims comes more than the previous one, we are going to buy. And we can see here, let me put it in at least like that. Good. So you can see here initial claims, initial jobless claims. The previous one was 263. The projections are saying that they will come fewer. So we will see here the actual. We will wait for the actual data, then we will going to see how we're going to trade that. So I don't know if this price is going to hold me. So the entry is activated on USD JPY. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. GJ. Euro USD, I always trade using simple time frame coordination, which is 1 month and monthly plus weekly. That gives us a higher time frame perspective, and then we have a daily as a portal or confirmation time frame, and then we have entry time frame, which is 4 hour or 1 hour. So this is the simple time frame coordination I use in trading EURUSD. Why? Because EURUSD has low pip value. Low pip value. Why I say low pip value? You can see if you measure a daily candle pips, for example, if this candle here, you see it is 70 pips till now, but if you measure this same candle, same length in pairs like Euro, XAUUSD, then you will see how this thing. So we have been stopped out. We close this area. Okay, it's okay. So that offset formation failed to hold that price. And in the 3 minutes, we had that area. So, okay, I don't know what happened. So we can wait for something else. We can wait for something else. Oh, we have been 1 hour together. Okay. What was I talking about? So yeah, Euro USD. I always trailed using simple time frame coordination, which is monthly and weekly, trying to see the direction. And that's why I have these lines here, the weekly level, the daily level, right? So we can clearly see right now, we we can start looking for SLs. Why? Because yesterday we had a week-to-week breakout, and the price failed to close above and closed below. So we can target this range here. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame looking for the entries, or the 1 hour, we can see we have this level here, and we have this long weekly rejection right here. If we measure that long weekly rejection, inside there we may have areas to place orders. Okay, the 1 minute says what? 1 minute says this area was that was consumed. This was a little bit consumed, so we can just press our orders in this level here, since what it was. So yeah, we can say like that, and it is actually just few pips. 60. Oh, it's a lot of pips. It is a lot of pips. So we can wait maybe for the price to come there and create us something to sell. Great.